Welcome to Module 1, Foundations, Demystifying AI for Finance. In this module, we're going to take a calm, practical look at artificial intelligence and automation, without technical jargon, coding, or complicated theory. Our goal here is simple. By the end of this module, you should clearly understand what AI and automation are, why they matter for finance professionals, and what they realistically can and cannot do. Think of this module as building a strong foundation before we explore tools and real-world use cases. Section 2. What AI is not. Clearing common myths. There are many misconceptions around AI, especially in finance. Let's clear up a few common ones. AI is not a replacement for finance professionals. It does not understand business context, ethics, or strategy on its own. AI is not always accurate. It depends heavily on data quality and proper setup. AI is not a single tool or software. It's a set of technologies embedded into many systems you already use. Most importantly, AI always needs human oversight. Finance accountability still belongs to people, not machines. Section 3. Why AI matters for finance teams. So why are finance teams paying so much attention to AI? Because finance teams face growing pressure to close faster, reduce errors, handle more data, deliver insights, not just reports. AI helps by taking over repetitive manual work, tasks that consume time but add little strategic value. When AI handles routine processing, finance professionals gain more time for analysis, business partnering, risk management. Strategic decision-making AI doesn't change the importance of finance, it elevates it. Section 4. Key AI concepts. You need to know. To understand AI in finance, you only need to understand 3 core concepts: machine learning, natural language processing, and robotic process automation. Let's look at each in simple terms. Section 5. Machine learning. Learning from data. Machine learning, often called ML, allows systems to learn from historical data. Instead of programming rules for every situation, we show the system past examples and let it identify patterns. In finance, machine learning is commonly used for forecasting revenue or expenses, predicting customer payment behavior, improving budget accuracy over time. The more quality data the system sees, the better its predictions become. Think of machine learning as learning from experience, just like humans do. Section 6. Natural language processing. Understanding text. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows computers to understand written and spoken language. Finance teams work with a lot of unstructured text, such as contracts, emails, policies, regulatory documents. NLP helps systems extract key information, summarize long documents, categorize and analyze text. For example, NLP can automatically identify payment terms in contracts or summarize long financial policies. Section 7. Robotic process automation. The digital clerk. Robotic process automation, or RPA, is one of the most widely used technologies in finance today. RPA uses software bots to mimic human actions in systems. It is best suited for tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, high-volume examples. Include invoice processing reconciliations, report generation data entry across systems. Think of RPA as a digital clerk that works non-stop with speed and consistency. Section 8. The AI spectrum in finance. AI in finance exists on a spectrum. At the basic level, we have Excel formulas, macros, simple automation. Moving up, we see workflow automation, RPA bots. At the advanced level, predictive analytics, AI-driven forecasting. Most finance teams start small and grow over time. You don't need advanced AI to start seeing real benefits. Section 9. Why AI adoption is growing. Now, AI is not new, but its adoption is accelerating now because of 3 key reasons. First, finance teams have more digital data than ever. Second, computing power is more affordable and accessible. Third, AI is now built into everyday tools like Excel, Power BI, and ERP systems. This makes AI practical and accessible for non-technical users. Section 10. Humans and AI. Working together, AI works best when combined with human expertise. AI handles speed, scale, and consistency. Humans provide judgment, ethics, and business understanding. The most successful finance teams use AI as a partner, not a replacement. Key takeaways. Let's summarize what you've learned in this module. AI is a practical tool for pattern recognition and decision support. Machine learning, NLP, and RPA solve different finance problems. AI exists on a spectrum, from simple automation to advanced analytics. AI supports finance professionals rather than replacing them, and now is the right time to start. Closing. What's next? In the next module, we'll explore data fundamentals, the fuel that powers AI and automation. You'll learn why data quality matters, where finance data comes from, and how to prepare it for AI projects. When you're ready, let's move on to Module 2.